Why is it called slave house? It simply means that people were bought those days, and after buying them, they were brought into this house. The thing is that it happened, in secret. When slavery was abolished, and the slave master, they were still interested in it. Some of them did not stop immediately, so they moved in here and were doing the slavery secretly. The first people to abolish slavery was in Bristol in 1807. That's Belgium. But here the abolition of slavery started in 1830. And then it was finally abolished in 1852. On January 1st, 1852, the Queen of England, called Queen Victoria, came here to come and tell people to abolish slavery totally. And also on January 24th and 27th of the same year, she came here and wrote a note sending to the different locations that slavery should be abolished immediately. And those notice boards, 3 of them came into this particular place. And those 3 notices, they were sent to 3 different places. One was here, the other one is the near town Egliji, and then a 3rd place too. And so the place that it was stored at is called Porto Seguro. That's the place that those notices were kept.
Sécurité. Bon, et n'ayez pas ce que comme il y a nos filles au faux, so les nous les africains c'est quoi tout cara. Donc les nous veut nos filles au quoi c'est pour ce que il faut sur le port de sécurité.
Okay, Porto Seguro simply means that secure harbor.
So que va aussi à Pointe quand même, elle est 1 km 500.
From this place to the sea, those days were 1.5 kilometers.
Et
and those times there were no houses here like the way you see. It was a forest, so this place was inside the forest so that people would not notice that slavery was going on here. Okay, this house was designed after Brazilians construction, and they did it in such a way that the underground is 1.5 meters, which was the same level as the ships that come here, so that when they come, they can just go and then enter the ship directly. And the slaves at that time were not brought from this place, brought from the far north of Togo, like Sokode, Atakpame. So those are the places that the slave master will go and then bring the slaves down here. When after buying them, they bring them into one of the places. That's where they will come and auction the slaves. So after auctioning them, they are finally brought here to be shipped. Once they are here, they don't pass through the main door that we are seeing. They pass through these small holes to enter the house. There's no way for you standing to enter. You have to crawl before you enter. And even once they enter the house, there was no way for you to stand. You have to, bend, lie down.
Et le boulot, toi, on a bonné le wabisi kutia, à l'eau qu'on imbéci, non laissé avoir. Au bâtiment de toi, c'est à train beaucoup de l'Amérique imagine.
Okay. And once the ships are here, they were brought out. They come from the same place, and they are brought to one particular place where they will go and have their last bath. Even after having their last bath, they have to go around the world 7 times before they are shipped into the state. Going around the world 7 times simply means that they have to know that they are going around so that when they go and they die, their soul may come back to Africa.
Bon, quand il est né, même John, le premier, et quand il est mis des points de zèle, et nous, quand tu veux que vous Amérique, tu peux
Okay, since the slavery in this particular place was done secretly, that's why for some time we open it to the public so that when our brothers and sisters we understand come here, we can tell them what really happened here. When this thing happened, people from all over the world, the diaspora from USA, Haiti, and all those stuff, they assembled in New Orleans. And some people took boat and ship from them to come and circulate throughout the coast to see the places that the slavery really happened at.
Au l'état à Zunadie, il faut 30 mai 1998, et au retour de Bénin, il va corriger il va faire les débuts avril 1998. On ne va pas y mourir de partir de l'année. Si Bénin va faire,
how did they discover this place? Like we said from the beginning, it was a secret place in the middle of the bush, so nobody knew. So when they started their sail from New Orleans on May 30th, 1998, they were going around along the coast till they discovered this place, that it was a hidden place. It took them almost a year going all the way the coast to come and discover this place. So that's how come that this place was discovered. It was discovered by the local, but they didn't know anything about it. So the sailor that discovered it, they were the one who came and surveyed the place and really know that something really happened here, like slavery. And those who discovered the place, after they discovered it, they went through South Africa.
31 Mai.
Okay. 31st May 1999, they went to South Africa.
Bon.
The house that you are seeing in front of you is divided into 3 parts. We have the main entrance, and then the underfloor, and then another one. And the house that you see in front of you, it was not built with cement, just mud that they took to build the house. To build this house, some woods were used, and those wood Europeans did not bring them down here. They were cut into the forest. So they lay down and then floor them with mud, and it's only at this place that cement was used to plaster it. The color that you see is not what was there when the slavery started. They changed it twice. The first one was changed in 1958, and then recently people came and changed it in 2006. That's 11 years ago. Now we've spoken enough. I want us to move into the room, and once again, you are welcome. While the places are underground. The same way you see the inner house, the under also be the same. It's only the top that has changed. Apart from that, everything that you see here, they are all original. These are some of the things that the slave master used that are still, including this table, the chair. It's only when they are ready to communicate to the slaves or they want to give them food that they open this place. It's not something that is deep that when you go in there you can stand. Whoever wants to have the flow that our ancestors have, the person is free to go down. I'm going to show you how to do it before you get here. And we need
Sit down.
oh sorry. They want to come?
What's done?
You really had trouble with these. I said you really had trouble with these. By the time you tried out to do your body, it's still Did they use the bathroom that I went to? Okay.